The NL camera is easy to use and operate. Its automated settings and the lightweight camera's intuitive user interface mean that using the device requires minimal training. First, turn on the NL camera by connecting the power supply. Make sure that the red dots are aligned. A fully charged battery will last up to 6 hours. After starting, the NL camera shows you the setup wizard that asks you to select, among other things, the language, time zone, and location. Remember to set the leak unit, currency, and especially the energy cost. Connect to Wi-Fi to register your device. After registration, the camera is ready to use without any adjustments. You can see the maximum decibel level, leak size, and cost estimate at the top of the screen next to the filter. The most optimal filter is set by default. When you have found a leak, you must set the distance from the leak. Zooming and adjusting brightness. You can adjust screen brightness and zoom in and out with the camera. Single source and multi-source mode. You can use the multi-source mode to scan a large area quickly and find and take note of several sound sources, which you can then inspect more closely with single source mode. Note that the NL camera and NL Cloud only analyze the strongest sound source, indicated by the small crosshair on the screen. Detection distance. Indoors, the detection distance is usually 1 to 15 meters. In a typical factory, we recommend about 5 meters. Snapshot. Press the snapshot icon to take a snapshot and name it. NL Cloud and Wi-Fi connection. To automatically upload snapshots to the included NL Cloud for further analysis, enable Wi-Fi in the camera's settings. We also have offline software for those who cannot use the cloud. Reflections. The NL camera may sometimes show you reflections of actual sound sources that can appear at seemingly illogical places, such as in the middle of the floor. In such cases, the sound from the real source bounces off other objects. You can tell a reflection apart from an actual sound source by slowly moving the camera. If the sound source moves with the camera, you are seeing a reflection. If the sound source stays in place, this is the real sound source. Reflections are beneficial to you in that they indicate sound sources that are not directly in your line of sight. Vacuum and other gas leaks. The NL camera can detect all kinds of pressurized gas leaks and vacuum leaks if the leak is bigger than the minimum detectable sizes and the pressure is high enough to produce detectable sound. In typical factory environments, we recommend using the camera to detect leaks larger than 0.032 liters per minute from a distance of 3 meters. 0.05 liters per minute from a distance of 10 meters. Filters. Usually you do not have to adjust the filter settings, but in some rare cases you might have issues with interfering noise. You can then try adjusting the filter settings to make certain sound sources clearer than others. NL camera package contents. The NL camera, the battery, a battery cable, a battery charger, a camera bag, 2 USB memory sticks, a lanyard that goes around the wrist, and the camera's documentation. Optional accessories are a hard case for the camera and the NL camera calibrator.